Number 1. Ready? Let's go! Unbox the ultimate precision. Instant on, crystal clear, heavy duty, perfect accuracy. Elevate your meal prep. Number 2. Get perfect foam in seconds with the Zule Kitchen Milk Frother. Powered by Duracell, it's ultra fast. Elevate your coffee experience. Number 3. Want to cut your kitchen prep time in half? The Full-Star Pro Chopper is a beast. Look at these perfectly diced onions in seconds. It is an absolute game changer for healthy eating. Number 4. Ready for the ultimate kitchen gadget? This is the TrendPlane Glass Oil Sprayer. It works as both a dispenser. Look at that perfectly even spray every time. This is a must-have for air frying. It's an absolute game changer. Number 5. Want to master your grill? This gadget is a game changer. It gives ultra-fast readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. Look at this bright backlit display, and it is fully waterproof. Final verdict, this is a must-have for every cook. Number 6. Want to cut your kitchen time in half? This Aura Home manual chopper is a total game changer. Just pull the cord for perfect mincing in seconds. It is durable, portable, and a must-have for every home. Number 7. Check out the Spring Chef Peeler. It features a non-slip handle. Watch it glide through this carrot. The swivel blades are ultra sharp. This is the best kitchen peeler. Number 8. Is this the ultimate juicer? Let's unbox the Zule Kitchen 2-in-1. Heavy-duty metal gives maximum extraction, squeezes every last drop with ease. Highly recommended for any kitchen. Number 9. Is this the ultimate kitchen tool? This KitchenAid can opener feels incredibly premium. It opens any can smoothly with zero effort. This is an absolute must-have for every modern kitchen. Number 10. Want perfect veggie pasta in seconds? The Vegetti delivers real restaurant-quality results. Look at these dual stainless steel blades go. Healthy eating has never been this fast. This is a must-have for every kitchen.